How to connect Discord account to Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect Discord account to Facebook. So first of all, just simply open the Discord account, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and just locate the settings option from the top right corner from here. And under the account settings option, you will be able to see the option called connections. Just simply tap on it and just go to the add section from the top right corner again, and over here just simply scroll down until you see the option called Facebook. Just simply tap on it in order to connect Discord and Facebook successfully. And after that, it will redirect you to the page where you have to enter your credentials in order to log into your Facebook account first to connect it with the your Discord account. And just simply go ahead and just log into your credential in your Facebook account. And once it is done, you will be able to see the option called continue as your username. Just simply tap on it, and your Discord account will be connected to your Facebook account quite successfully. So yeah, this is basically how simple it is to connect your Discord account to Facebook account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.